Everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about theory of custom union. So what is custom union? Custom union is an agreement between two or more countries to remove tariff and other trade restriction. Custom union is an agreement between two or more countries to remove tariff and other trade restriction, and all member of this union will apply common external tariff if they do any import with non-member country. For example, A and B are member country. That means they have made custom union. Now they will do trade without any tariff. But whenever they do import with C, which is non-member country, then they will apply common tax or tariff on this country. There are mainly two concepts of this theory: trade creation and trade diversion. One by one we discuss about each. First of all, we are going to talk about trade creation. Trade creation means formation of custom union create new trade opportunities between two or more countries. Trade creation means formation of custom union create new trade opportunities between two or more countries. For example, before formation of custom union, prices of watches in a country was 50 rupees, and same quality watches price in B country was 40 rupees. But at 40 rupees, these watches cannot reach at A country because before formation of custom union, A imposed 30 rupees tariff on B country's watches. As a result, price of B country's watches become equal to 70 rupees. Obviously, now it become costly as compared to A country's watches. That's why A will not do import with B countries. It will domestically produce these watches. On the other hand, after formation of custom union, A country removed this 30 rupees tariff on B countries. As a result, price of A country watches become equal to 40 rupees. Now it is less costly as compared to A country watches. So A will stop domestically production of these watches and start doing import with B. So here we see how formation of a custom union create new trade opportunity for A country. Now with the help of this diagram, we will understand trade creation. In this diagram, on x-axis we have quantities and y-axis we have price. Here we assume we have only two countries, A and B. A is our domestic country. So DD is demand curve of domestic country, SS is supply curve of domestic country, and this SB is a supply curve of B country, and this SB1 is supply curve of B country with the tariff. So first of all, we are going to talk about situation before formation of custom union. Actual price of B product was OP, but at OP price, B product cannot reach at A country because A impose PT amount of tariff on B country's product. As a result, price of B country product become equal to OT. At OT price, domestic consumption means consumption in A country was OQ3, but domestic production in A country was OQ2. You can see here the difference between domestic production and domestic consumption. Domestic consumption is OQ3, but domestic production is OQ2. There is difference of Q2 and Q3. This difference A will fill by import, means A will do import of Q2 and Q3 quantities from B country before formation of trade union. Now we are going to talk about situation after formation of custom union. After formation of custom union, A will remove PT amount of tariff on B country's product. As a result, price of B country product become equal to OP. At OP price, domestic production is equal to OQ1, but domestic consumption is equal to OQ4. Difference between domestic production and domestic consumption is equal to Q1, Q4. So A will do import of Q1, Q4 quantities from B country. Now we will see consumer surplus after formation of custom union. Obviously now price has reduced, consumer will gain. Consumer gain is equal to PFDT. This area PFDT, this area is consumer surplus, but this is not net gain of consumer because here include loss of producer surplus and loss of government revenue. Why include loss of producer surplus? Because production has reduced. You can see earlier, before formation of custom union, production was OQ4, but now production is OQ1. When production reduce, obviously producer bear some loss. So loss of producer surplus is equal to PACT. This area is producer surplus loss, and loss of government revenue is equal to BED. See this area. Why government bear loss of revenue? Obviously, when government collect tariff, it is sources of government revenue. But now country A has removed tariff. That's why government bear loss of its revenue. And loss of government revenue is equal to BEDC. This is loss of government revenue. This is loss of producer surplus. So remaining area A, B, C and E, F, D will called consumer gain in consumer surplus. This area A, B, C and E, F, D will be called net gain in consumer surplus. Now we are going to talk about trade diversion. Trade diversion means trade divert from more efficient producer to less efficient producer after formation of custom union. Trade diversion means trade divert from more efficient producer to less efficient producer after formation of custom union. For example, there was a three country A, B and C. First of all, we are going to talk about situation before formation of custom union. Actual price of B product was 50 rupees and the price of C product was 40 rupees. C has less price because C has less cost. If C has less cost as compared to B, so we can say that C is a more efficient producer as compared to B. And A impose 30 rupees tariff on both countries' product. So after tariff, B country's product price become equal to 80 rupees and C country product price become equal to 70 rupees. C price is less as compared to B. Obviously, A will do import with C. This is situation of before formation of custom union. Now we will see situation after formation of custom union. Suppose A and B make a custom union. That's why A remove all tariff on B. That's why now B product price become equal to 50 rupees. But a C product price still equal to 70 rupees because C is non-member country. A didn't remove any tariff on it. So now you can see a B product become cheaper as compared to C. That's why A will divert its import from C to B. So C was efficient producer as compared to B, but after formation of a trade union, A divert its trade from efficient producer to less efficient producer. It will be called a trade diversion because in case of trade diversion, we divert our trade from more efficient producer to less efficient producer after formation of custom union. Now with the help of this diagram, we will understand trade diversion. In this diagram on x-axis we have quantities and y-axis we have price. Here we assume we have only three countries A, B and C. A is our domestic country, B and C are foreign countries. DD is demand curve of domestic country, SS is supply curve of domestic country, SC is supply curve of country C and SC1 is supply curve of country C with the tariff. SB is supply curve of country B and SB1 is supply curve of country B with the tariff. So, first of all, we are going to talk about situation before formation of custom union. Price of C country product is equal to OPC and price of B country product is equal to OPB. And after tariff, price of C country is equal to OPC1 and after tariff, price of country B product is equal to OPB1. You can see after tariff, price of C country is less as compared to B. Then obviously A will do import with the C country and domestic production at OPC1 price is equal to OQ2. Domestic production means production in A country and domestic production in A country is OQ2 and domestic consumption in A country is equal to OQ3. Difference between production and consumption is equal to Q2 and Q3. And this gap means the country A will do import of Q2 and Q3 quantities from country C before formation of custom union. Now we are going to talk about situation after formation of custom union. Suppose A and B have made custom union. That's why A have removed all tariff on B country's product. And after removal of tariff, B country's product price become equal to OPB. But still, price of C country product is equal to OPC1 because C is non-member country. A didn't remove any tariff on C country's product. As we know, price of B country is less as compared to C. That's why country A will shift from country C to B. Or we can say that after formation of custom union, country A will divert from country C to country B. So now country A will do import from B country at PB price. At PB price, domestic production is equal to OQ1 and domestic consumption is equal to OQ4. Difference between consumption and production is equal to OQ1 and OQ4. That's why country A will do import of Q1 and Q4 quantities from country B after formation of custom union. And you can see after formation of custom union, consumer gain is equal to PB, PL, PC1. This area belong to consumer gain because price has reduced, but this is not net gain because here include loss of producer surplus and loss of government revenue. And loss of producer surplus is equal to PBMK PC1 and loss of government revenue is equal to FTLK. So this is all about theory of custom union. I think you got it and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.